Hello, today we will guide you through how to switch from new Adobe Reader to old layout. If you prefer the classic look and feel of Adobe's older interface, this walkthrough will help you return to it in just a few clicks. We will use the built-in option provided by Adobe, so there's no need to install anything or change system settings. You'll simply toggle the layout inside the app. Begin by opening the Adobe app on your computer. Depending on your system, it may appear as Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give it a moment to fully load so all menus are available. You don't need a specific document open for this. The change applies to the overall interface, not to individual files. Once the app is open, move your attention to the top left corner of the window. You're looking for the main menu control. In many versions, this appears as 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. It can also appear as a labeled menu button near the app logo. This is the central place where Adobe groups high-level options for the interface. Click the menu to open it. A panel or drop-down will appear, listing several global settings and tools. This is where Adobe places the control for switching experiences. Take a brief moment to scan through the options so you're oriented. The wording is straightforward. Within that menu, locate the option labeled Disable New Acrobat. In some builds, the wording is very similar, such as Disable New Reader, but the intent is the same. It turns off the redesigned interface. This option is typically near the lower portion of the menu, and it may be styled to stand out from regular tools. If you're using the new layout, this toggle should be visible without digging into advanced preferences. Click Disable New Acrobat. The application will switch you back to the classic layout. You may notice the window briefly refreshes as toolbars, panels, and buttons revert to their traditional positions. Your documents and settings remain intact. This only changes how the interface is arranged. After the switch, you should see familiar menus across the top and the conventional tool panels, making it easier to continue working the way you're used to. That's all you need to do. You've successfully returned to the old layout using the built-in menu option. Remember, this change focuses on interface design rather than file compatibility, so your PDFs and workflows are unaffected. Take a moment to explore the restored menus so you can pick up right where you left off with your preferred view.